Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you ready to switch platforms? In this video, we will guide you throughout the process of transferring your Shopify store to WooCommerce in 2024, step by step. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, in this video, it's gonna be pretty detailed and pretty slow when it comes to actually transferring Shopify to WooCommerce. Since they are pretty different platforms and they are doing the same thing, so this is something that could help us, which is WooCommerce is a plugin and Shopify is a platform that allows you to simply sell stuff and make a store online. So in this video, we will see how you could transfer. Since there is no normal way to do so, well, in this video, we are going to do a couple of tricks, couple of things that could help us simply just transform the data from our Shopify store into our WordPress website and basically into the WooCommerce specific part. So first of all, we need to have a website in Shopify with our data in it. I'm just gonna create a new one first and make it as simple and as fast as possible. Let's click on next, 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 and get started. Once I have done that, the website should be created and you'll simply have the dashboard open for us, as you can see. Now, when you try to switch from Shopify to WordPress, then you need to understand a couple of things. If your Shopify store is already online and launched, then you will basically have a couple of orders that are not done yet, that are not proceed, that are still in the process. So for this specific reason, make sure to finish every single order that is still in the process. This is something very important since the orders you can transfer them, but still it's better to finish them while they are in Shopify, pack them, send them, and then stop the selling process. So you should stop the sale on the store so you never have a problem. Now the second thing is, to not lose your client, to not lose the potential client that you have, and basically you have a reputation with your Shopify store. Then to make people always remember your site, then make sure to always keep your domain. Now my domain is not really a professional one, it's not something like amazon.com. That's because I have a free version, but you normally would have paid a couple of extra money so your Shopify store can stand out. Now for this specific reason, make sure to remove the domain name from Shopify and take it to WordPress. So link it with your WordPress website. So this is something just to keep your domain name as it is, so you can keep your brand and switch the platforms without losing your brand, without losing the URL, without using your reputation, of course. Now, there is something else, which is basically the template in Shopify. The template in Shopify cannot be transferred whatsoever, so you will have to start from scratch with a new template in WordPress so you could have a better start. Let's say you are just making a remake of your site, so just choose something that's fit in WooCommerce. You could even buy a cool store templates. Let's search here store, and as you can see, you will find a couple of ones that you could pick from, and basically you will find most of them are functioning no problem with the actual WooCommerce, so this is perfect. Now this is for the template for the domain and basically for the orders. Now what about the products? So for the products, in case you had products, which of course you have, let's add one real quick so I can show you exactly what you should do. So here I'm gonna just pick like random things, me 100, let's save, and just like that I have created this product. So when I go to the product again, as you can see here, I will have a list full of products that I have in my Shopify store. Of course, not only one, but you will have hundreds or dozens or maybe like a couple of ones. So in that case, you would like to also keep your product safe, so you don't want to lose these products. So what you should do is simply go here and click on export and choose to either like specifically choose a couple of products that you want to export, or basically you can export every single product. In case you have multiple pages, you can choose either current page or select exactly which product you want. Then you should choose either to export it as a CSV files, CSV for Excel, numbers, etc. You should choose one of these. What I would highly suggest to go with is Excel. So go ahead and export products. And now on WooCommerce, on the other hand, when you open the plugin, go to the WooCommerce products section, and instead of clicking on export, click on import. This will help you to simply get the product from Shopify or the product into WooCommerce in a single click. So this can help you a lot transferring the products from this site to the other, and that could be helping you in any other platform, for example from Shopify into another Shopify store or any other thing. Then it comes the customers. Customers is something simple, basically just like products, like process. All you need to do is to already have customers in your Shopify store. Simply all you need to do next is to go ahead and export them. So here I have to add a normal like random contacts. I need to fulfill everything in here, etc, etc, at gmail.com, and basically when it's saved, simply just save them and you will have your customers in this area. So let me just open the customer. As you can see, so the same thing, you will have everything in here, just export, and you will be able to import them on the other site, which is the WooCommerce or WordPress websites. So yeah, these are the solutions, these are the ways that you can with them transfer your Shopify store to WooCommerce. In case you were looking for a plugin that can help you do that, well, there is integrations, but for transfer it's pretty hard. So for example, if you search for WooCommerce, as you can see here, there is some kind of integrations that can help you quick synchronize, WooCommerce importer. Yeah, there is nothing that could do everything that I said for you, like the orders, the contact, the products, everything in one click. Unfortunately, there is nothing that can do that at the moment. So that is why I showed you a couple of steps, couple of solutions for every section of your store to have every single data that you might need transferred from Shopify to WooCommerce. Finally, if you had discounts or anything, you can of course add that in the WooCommerce plugin section. And do not forget your payment method. Make sure to add every single payment method that you had on Shopify to your WooCommerce store. That could be also done throughout the WooCommerce payment gateways plugin. So there is dozens of them. There is for every single gateway. So make sure to choose the best one for you, the ones that you have been using throughout your Shopify experience. And yeah, that was it for today's video. So thank you guys a lot for watching. Leave a comment and subscribe, and see you guys in the next tutorial.